QR codes are great, but usually no one explains how to use them. That's what I'll show you here. Using QR codes is easy. Just take your phone, open the camera app, and point the camera to the code. No third-party apps needed, no need to mess with settings or configurations, and this works pretty much on any modern smartphone that has a camera. You'll see a link pop up on your screen, which you can then tap to open the QR code. This one, for example, takes me to the page that has the user manual for the software that I purchased, and using a QR code allows them to direct users to a user manual that's constantly updated. QR codes can store information like website links, Wi-Fi passwords, contact info, app downloads, payments, restaurant menus, or pretty much whatever. Think of it like a shortcut. You scan the code, and your phone takes you directly to whatever was linked. One thing to keep in mind, only scan codes that you trust. Anyone can create a code like this and lead you to a malicious website without you even knowing it. So make sure to scan only codes that are in trustworthy places. And that's how you use QR codes. Click that like button if this helped you, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.